Today, God is telling you that this is your confirmation. I heard your prayer, so go with assurance that I've got your back. God is telling you to anticipate wonderful news today. Supernatural change. This is your time for favor and blessings. You will be informed that something amazing has happened to you today. Prepare yourself, because good things are about to happen. God is telling you that today is the day your drought ends, and that I will show you favor in your career. I'm going to bless your life with blessings, your relationships with peace, your children with protection, and your health with healing. This is the time of year you were meant to have enough. God is telling you that a new door is about to open for you today, that the difficulties you are currently facing are coming to an end, and that a sudden rush of opportunities and blessings will clear the way for you. Be patient and trust my timing. It will happen. Don't give up. Your breakthrough is just around the corner. God is telling you that today, I will take away all of your anxiety, fear, stress, and pain, and fill you with my peace, love, healing, and blessings. God is telling you that a change is coming today that will propel you toward your destiny. Blessings are on the way for you. I'm going to pour out twice as many blessings and favor in your life for all of the hardships, heartaches, and setbacks you may have experienced. I have a blessing for you. Type 1111 to confirm this. God is telling you that today I see your potential. I know what you're capable of. You may feel weak, but I call you strong. You may be intimidated, but I call you confident. You may feel less than, but I call you well able. Get in agreement with me and begin believing what I say about you. God is saying to you today that I know you've been going through a lot and that the devil has tried to drive you insane numerous times. You have been betrayed in many ways, but don't worry. I'm going to turn things around and bless you in front of your enemies. Hold on to your faith. I'm going to open up the windows of heaven and pour out everything you've been waiting and praying for. Blessings of love, good health, and prosperity are coming your way. Put your faith in me. I have a wonderful plan for your life. Don't skip this movie because God is trying to teach you something. See it through to the conclusion. I will turn your worries into focus and your challenges into rewards. God is telling you today that you persevered through the most trying times and that I gave you the strength to do so. At one point, you didn't even realize it was me when things changed for you. Many people abandoned you and wrote you off, but you not only survived the storm, but you also developed during it. I didn't make you to blend in. I made you to stand out. Now, I'm going to reward your loyalty and take you to heights you never even imagined were possible. In the comment section, Jesus says, "If you need blessings, trust me. I've been with you through every storm in your life. I've given you everything you need. I have and will always protect you. As for your family and loved ones, things may be tough for you right now, but trust me that things will get better in due time. Enjoy this new day." Amen to claiming these life-altering transformations. God is telling you that you can succeed today. It is within you. However, you will need to work hard and dig deep. It may not be simple, but your destiny is calling you. You are great. Don't let anyone talk you out of it. Don't let circumstances tell you that you can't. There are new levels in your future. There is healing. Prayer, faith, abundance, and positive connections are all important. Don't give up. I'll see you through to the finish line. No matter where you are, if you can only believe, you have been crying, fretting, and trying for long enough already. In the name of Jesus, I speak healing, deliverance, and breakthroughs over your life. You are the head and not the tail, above and not below. I speak peace over your pain, peace over your struggle, and peace over your mind. You will be delivered and blessed in all areas of your life. God is telling you that a miracle is coming your way today. I command any spirit that is afflicting you to leave. As you emerge from generational curses, fresh doors are opening and chains are breaking. limits across generations, generational challenges, and embracing generational advantages. You are entering a time of greater favor, greater opportunity, and greater influence. What has been kept back is not lost. Rather, it has been building up. What has been saved for your family is about to be released with you. God is telling you today that something you've been asking for is going to happen for you because you've learned enough lessons. You will heal, you will develop, you will flourish into the person you are meant to be. And you will finally be at peace because you deserve it. You've been patient long enough. You've persevered through many hardships. Nothing broke you, and you're still standing strong. Now is the time for you to begin receiving. God is telling you that today is a new day, that I didn't bring you this far to leave you forgetting what happened yesterday, that I'm doing something new, that you will overcome that mountain you are facing, and that you should always remember that I am bigger than every situation and problem you will ever face. Don't waver in your faith. Don't give up. You will succeed. You will prosper. You can believe God even when you can't find Him. God is saying to you today, I am proud of the fact that you are still fighting, praying, looking to the Scriptures for answers, and getting up every morning, looking to spread light and love in this dark world. God says, don't even consider giving up. You're going to make it no matter what looks like right now. I know you're worried about your finances, your health, and your family, but remember that I always work in your favor. I will bless you today with peace, healing, and victory. If you don't give up, I'm going to bring something beautiful out of this ugly situation. Prepare yourself for your benefits. You could think of 100 things that could go wrong, but God didn't bring you this far to abandon you. Instead, He's blocking the problem from winning and allowing you to remain calm while you're experiencing a miracle. God is telling you that the opportunities that lie ahead will place you in a position where you won't ever need to borrow money, beg for it, or fight for anything because you are about to make your breakthrough and biggest comeback. And every voice that opposes you and your fate will be silenced. This message is meant to remind you that you can accomplish anything through Christ. Don't you dare give up or allow fear to deter you from your dreams, because I am with you and you will succeed. God is saying to you today, I know you have been doubting yourself lately and wondering if you are truly strong enough or good enough to do what I placed in your heart to do. I've supported you through every challenge in life, and I'll always look out for you and your family. Although things may be challenging right now, have faith in my timing. I'm changing your current situation. Even if you may cry all night, trust me when I say that happiness will arrive in the morning. Enjoy this day. 5552 confirms that God is telling you that you can succeed today. It is within you. However, you will need to work hard and put forth the effort. It may not be simple, but your destiny is calling you. Don't let anyone talk you out of it. Don't let life convince you that you can't. There are new heights for your future. There is healing. There is abundance. There is good relationships. Pray, have faith, and don't give up. I will see you through to the finish line. Your prayers were heard by God. God is aware of your suffering and understands that you are stressed, burdened, and anxious about how things will turn out. He's telling you today, trust me, I'll get you through this season, and I'll fix what's broken. Take a nap in me. You don't need to pay attention to your worries because God is watching over you. You have an option. Have faith in God and resist your anxieties. According to 2 Corinthians 1:10, the Bible states that He saved us and will save us from such horrible threats of death, and we have put our hope in Him that He will save us once again. If we love and obey God, He will work for our good, no matter what happens to us, according to His promise to believers. The Bible states that if you are a believer, everything is working out for good. It does not state that everything is good. Rather, it states that everything is working out for good. In other words, God is not guaranteeing that every event in your life will be good, that everything will turn out the way you want it to, or that every story will have a happy ending. This is how Romans 8:28 puts it. We know that in everything, God works for the good of those who love Him and have been called according to His purpose. Not every business choice you make will result in financial success. Not all married couples will have a happy life together, and not all medical reports will be favorable. You love God because you love Him, but God is not your genie or your wish. God has promised to use everything, both good and terrible, for your benefit. It's like putting a puzzle together on its own. Each piece doesn't look like much when all the pieces are connected together. A beautiful picture appears. Because that's true. You can stop listening to your fears. There is no difficulty, dilemma, defeat, or disaster in the life of a believer that God can't ultimately get good out of. So there is no need to fear the future. Your fears reveal where you do not trust God. Today, make a list of your fears and ask God to help you identify why you have fear in those areas. Then ask Him to help you replace your fears with trust in Him. There's another step, and it's an important one. Expect God to help you learn to trust Him with each fear. Hopeful expectation feels your faith and opens your eyes to how God is working for good in your life. God says, "Child, do not compromise on things I planned for you. Because of the fears that were haunting you in the past, you will not fall. You will never fail. I am all around you, and I will lift you up so high to the places you and I can get even closer. Trust me, love, and let's jump. Remind yourself that I will always be at your side. And on that jump, let me show you the wonders I have planned just for you. I have faith in you."